adding? Hey! Hey, why are you adding this one? What on earth are you? For Meru. Hey, the leaves are there.
The leaves are there.
Hey!
Ah.
Chumvi. Breaking Bad, you will follow. Adding. Hey! Hey, why are you adding this one? What on earth are you? Itwa nani?
Mimi naitwa Mohoni.
Na hii pesa unaona ukienda naye?
Hii pesa lazima Meru aone, lazima tuende nayo hii pesa.
Lazima ende nayo. So guys, that was Meru. Let me come to Kisii. Hey, Kisii. Greet your people.
Wakire muya.
Uko aje?
Niko poa.
Unaona ukikula hii pesa?
Hiyo nakula kabisa.
Yote?
Kabisa hiyo.
I don't know, they say Kisii are their wife material. Is it true?
Kabisa hii leo. Leo naenda kuchangamkia vizuri.
Nice. So guys, you want to start? Maybe you can clean. Let's start.
You have mayai. Kuna mayai. You have to fry the 3 eggs. And you have 5 minutes to fry mayai.
So chop.
So and it's exactly 7:30.
Yeah.
So hey, Meru, where? Pole.
Hey,
So
Meru. So
and you have 7 minutes to fry this is the morning.
Yeah.
So in watch the plate.
Yeah,
So I look at the accuracy, the
goodness.
hygiene, the presentation, the taste of the food, and the winner has 100,000 Kenya shilling.
So
In 3, 2, 1, you can start.
Yeah. You can see the Meru is going. 1 egg down.
Okay.
Yeah, wonderful. 1 egg down already. Another egg. So 3 eggs. Remember, we are cooking omelette, eh? Don't forget.
Omelette.
We are cooking omelette.
Mayaya.
Mayaya kuku.
Mayaya kuku.
Yeah. True. So guys, this is another episode. Which tribe do you want us to bring next? Comment down
Next,
below. Tell us.
let's do Mombasa, Taita, Samburu, Masai, Pokomo,
Don't remember, we work
Zote.
with all currency in the world.
Yes.
We have all the currencies in the world. There we have now the Kenyan money. Pesa
Hey,
kidogo.
let's see how they are competing.
Hey.
Okay.
So guys, you can see the Kisii.
Hey.
Hey, he's putting that. I don't know. Let me not judge now.
Hey.
Hey.
Kwani ni kesho, bro mas.
Yeah.
What she doing?
I don't know.
Ask her why.
You are chewing me right here.
Yeah. The Meru akifanyike.
Hey. So Meru people, you are presented 100K. You go and change all these currencies since we didn't have time to change.
Holiday.
Yeah, it's holiday and we don't have time. So we come with all currencies. The bank are closed. M-Pesa haifanyi. So guys, that's the Kisii right there. This omelette, do you know how to cook omelette? Comment down below. Is it the correct procedure they are doing? Tell us on the comment section. Who is doing it well? Tell us. Is your tribe represented here, Meru or Kisii? Who are you? Comment below. Tell us your tribe. Yes, Kalawait is from Kisii. Nyamira County. Hey, Nyamira County, guys. And we are back in the business. Don't forget, guys, we have all the currency in the world right here. All of them 100,000. Then we have the Kenyan money right there. So guys, make sure you follow us everywhere. Okay. Hey, it has started. Hey, see the mixture of the Kisii? You can see the mixture of the Kisii there. Kisii. Alafu tuko na Meru. Hey! Chumvi.
What are you doing?
Hey, what are you?
What a taste.
Hey! Hey! I'll get. Hey!
Hey, person history.
It's live. Oh. Hey, let's wait and see. Hey, I don't know. Comment. Is it the right thing? I don't know. Meru people, tell us. Do we ask us to put miraa there or what?
You put miraa inside egg. Tell us.
Hey,
Below.
comment below. Now the gas. If you have a problem, we can help you. Try to turn on. Oh, is it off? Up. Okay. Yours is on. Put it on first. Put it on there on the gas. Yeah. Is it on? You try now. Try. No, it's there.
Hey.
Cannot finish it. Did you put it on? Let me check. It's not on though. I now put it on.
Ah, okay.
So guys, Breaking Bad don't know how to turn on the gas. You have seen it.
You have to teach me.
Hey! Okay, now we can check the Meru is now ready. Hey, me, how? You have the oil here, you share this oil.
So let's see how the cook now.
Yeah, you want to see now, sharp. So the oil is boiling. Hey, miraa. I've never seen this one in my life. Guinness Book of Record. The oil now. Don't put too much oil. We're already fat. Yeah. So guys, do you want to participate in this cooking challenge? Comment below. Hey! Hey, Jesus. Guys, is this real omelette? I don't know what you guys think. Tell us.
Omelette or islet.
You see, the reason why we are doing omelette, we have tried to look for one girl in this Kenya who can cook well omelette. We are not finding.
Yes.
If you can cook good omelette, DM me. Bravo Mas _ DCI or Breaking Bad 254 or Kenya vs Food. DM us. This omelette, is it real omelette? Hey, look for Meru. Hey, the leaves are there. Hey! They're adding more miraa. Hey!
Okay.
Guys,
Hey, you have
it is not a joke. A simple meal can be dangerous. So 4 more minutes to go.
Brahma,
Yeah. 4 more minutes to go, guys. And, remember, money iko hapo, pesa iko.
Maybe you are chewing. No, maybe.
Hey! Hey! I've never seen no.
Hey!
Meru. Hey! I don't know. Maybe it can be sweet. You can use the. You wash that. Hey, wash it fast.
If this one you high.
Hey, Kisii is looking nice.
Yeah, Kisii is looking nice. Hey,
I don't know.
I say
Nimuviamuno.
So guys, if you are watching the channel Asante Sana Degumuno Nimuviamuno Imbuyamuno Kongwe Messi Erokamano Chavcha Ibuega Medasi Gracias Messi Buku Beriwo Shong Shang Sheng. Hey! Kwani ni kesho?
Hey!
Kesho ni kwani?
Hey, it has already mixed up.
Okay. Hey! Okay. Let's see what Kisii will turn. Let's see if she will turn very well. But she can try and turn. No. She cannot try and turn.
Hey, it can spoil. It can spill everywhere.
No, you know. Okay, let's see. Let's see who will cook omelette. Hey, no, she tried.
Hey, she tried.
Jaribu.
Yeah, true.
Hii competition si ya mchezo.
Hey, she's adding more.
Hey! Qualification. I've never seen this.
Meru, you are killing me today. Meru, guys.
Wait, can I taste some of the miraa?
Hey, you want taste?
Nafanya jaribu.
Don't forget, guys. Pesa iko.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Koja una jaribu. Actually like this. Gum, big G. Let me taste.
100. Those who have never seen $100 bill, that's like 10,000.
I'm not tasted miraa in my life. Let me try. The jaw.
You put small. Hey, you're putting menu. It's good. Then you add more chewing gum. You want more chewing gum. It's good. Yeah, you add more chewing gum now. You get high. You add more chewing gum.
Hey, I saw the son of my rainbow.
So guys, the show is almost. You can see Kisii is almost finishing. Hey, she's serving. Hey, it's ready. Hey, wonders shall never end. Hey. It's bitter.
It's bitter and sweet at the same time.
Bitter and sweet.
Hey, take your miraa.
You turn off the gas now. Hey, look for Kisii. Hey, wonderful. Now I want to look for a wife. 2 minutes, guys, to go. This is money. This 5,000 Uganda, 50,000 Uganda shillings. How much is it in Kenya? It's like 1,000 or
1K.
1K. Hey, 50,000. If we got 50,000 in Kenya. Hey, it's bad though.
Sweet is bitter is okay.
Zote. Hey,
how do you manage to eat this in rainbow? Wow,
hey.
you can see. Okay. Bravo, you taste this one, though.
Hey, why you taste this one? May I taste the other one? Because I'm already in this side.
Okay, yeah.
I'm
10
already,
seconds to finish.
I'm already in this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, now, bro, let's come and taste.
Hey, it's time now to taste.
Yes,
Now put off your gas.
Hold your food and present to the camera.
Yeah, hold your
Hold
food.
your food and show the camera.
Hold your food and present to the camera like this.
Hold your food, show the camera. So,
So guys,
that's all you can see.
so camera, you can come here to show your food.
So this is for Meru. Meru, you have miraa inside. Meru.
Wow.
And that's for Kisii.
Kisii side.
Kisii.
Hey.
So guys, comment below the best. Bro, now let's taste.
Yeah, where's
Wait. Hey, let me start with this.
Why? No, you're already on that side.
Okay, let me
let me wash this fork.
Hey, Rainbow, really? I'll bring the mic.
Wait. Let me wash. So guys, because of the securities, let me put my money inside. Now,
Now, Rainbow, this is your food. Hey. So you can see the miraa is still there.
hey,
But it looks spicy.
it looks. Try you. You try with miraa inside.
So miraa inside.
This one.
Ah. Chumvi. Maji kwa wapi? Maji. Tafadhali.
You're killing me today. Hey, chumvi.
Wait. Nataka jaribu. Let me try this one. I hope I will know high. Even if I high, carry me to Tika level 5
Yeah, true.
or Kibera level 4.
Don't follow.
Wait. My eyes are turning.
Are you okay?
Wait.
Hey, take water. Take water.
This thing is moving too high.
Take water.
It's stronger than Bambi.
Hey, so guys, let's try for.
Hey, Rainbow.
Let's try for Kisii, guys. Me, I'm gonna. Bro, Breaking Bad, you will follow. Wait, sit down. Sit down. Sit somewhere. No, sit there. Now let me go.
Hold me, let's go take for Kisii.
So guys, this is Breaking Bad 254.
Hey, that is me. You can see 4-4.
Yeah, stand well there. Okay, let me start with Kisii. So guys, you can see the omelette well represented. Let me try. Hey, this kidogo. Hey, don't fall. Hey, it's good though. Very nice. Test. How is it? Hey, it's very good.
Hi, in Missouri, kama Skylar White. Hey,
It's very nice.
hey, Rainbow. In Missouri, mara milioni 5. Bravo.
Very nice. Hey, let me try. Let me test the last.
Eat.
No, people will cry. There are people watching
Hi,
us
Meru.
from the background.
How can they put miraa in? Have you ever seen this in your life?
No. It's good. As we always promise, the money is here. This Kenyan shillings and all the other dollars. This 10,000 Kenyan shillings, Canadian dollar. All of them we have here, Australian dollar. And now, guys, it's time to announce the winner. Uko ready?
Niko sambamba.
Na wewe?
Mko ready?
Uko ready? Aya, sawa. So guys, now guys, due to our conclusion, you have seen the food from both sides, and the winner now, I'm giving you 2 out of 10. How can you put miraa inside food? Guys, you're not being biased. You saw what happened. And now, I told that one for Kisii, it was good. And now, the winner is Kisii. Take the man. No, the winner is Kisii. The winner is Kisii. Leave me alone. Breaking Bad. No. Leave me alone. The winner is Kisii. The winner is Kisii. No. Hey! No. Don't fight. No. Don't fight. Don't fight. Why are you fighting? No. Hey. No. Breaking Bad. Hey! No. Pole. No. Go the other side. No. Go. No, go. Just go. Go the money. No, just go. Hey! No, let them go. Just go. Hey, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Cut. No, don't go. Cut the video. Cut. Let's go.